How do you fight workplace racial profiling? Imagine walking into your workplace and feeling like you're being watched or judged before you even say a word. Racial profiling in the workplace is a serious issue that affects many employees. It involves making decisions about someone based on their race, ethnicity, or national origin, rather than their actual skills or behavior. This kind of treatment is illegal under federal, state, and local laws that protect workers from discrimination and harassment. To start fighting racial profiling, you need to recognize that it is a form of illegal discrimination. It can show up in hiring, firing, promotions, or even how tasks are assigned. If decisions are based on stereotypes or assumptions about your race or background, that's a violation of laws like the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This law bans discrimination based on race and national origin, among other protected categories. Knowing your rights is key. You are protected from harassment and discrimination if you belong to a protected class. Harassment includes unwelcome conduct that creates a hostile work environment. Employers are required to keep workplaces free from such unfair treatment. If you experience racial profiling, start documenting what happened. Write down dates, times, what was said or done, and who saw it. This record can be very helpful later. Next, report the incident through your company's internal procedures. Most workplaces have policies for handling discrimination complaints. It's important to follow these steps so your employer is aware of the problem. Usually, they are required to investigate and take action if discrimination is confirmed. If internal efforts don't work or aren't available, you can file a complaint with government agencies like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. They investigate claims and can take legal action against employers who violate laws. Be aware that employers cannot retaliate against you for reporting discrimination. Retaliation can include firing, demotion, or other unfair treatment. If you face retaliation, you should also report it. Consulting with a labor and employment lawyer can help you understand your options. You might be able to seek remedies like reinstatement, back pay, or damages. Sometimes multiple employees are affected, and class action lawsuits can be filed. Employers have a responsibility to prevent racial profiling. They should have clear policies against discrimination, provide training to staff, and set up procedures to handle complaints properly. This helps create a fair and inclusive work environment. Sometimes racial profiling is part of larger patterns of discrimination. Legal actions can address these systemic issues, not just isolated incidents. Fighting workplace racial profiling means knowing it's illegal, documenting what happens, using internal and external complaint channels, protecting yourself from retaliation, and seeking legal help if needed. Employers must actively work to prevent and correct racial bias, and employees have rights to a workplace free from discrimination based on race and origin.